right, everybody. Finals are coming up. Make sure that you're studying. Have a great rest of your day, and it's okay to sign off.
Ah! Hey.
What's wrong?
All my teachers are talking about this big thing called finals, and I don't even know what that is.
Finals are an exam that you take at the end of each semester to wrap up what you've learned so far.
How do I even prepare for finals?
You can make a schedule, use your time management skills, or contact your teachers to ask what your finals will look like.
Thank you, guys. Hey, Hannah.
Hey!
I've been hearing a lot about finals, and I was wondering what the best way to study was.
Remy, that's a great question. There are so many different ways to study. You can use flashcards or use Quizlet. Or you can even do a Zoom call with your friends. Some teachers even offer study guides to help you plan how to study.
Thanks so much, Hannah. I gotta go study now. See you later.
Whoa, where are you going, freshie?
I have to go study.
Remy, it's not all about studying. You have to make sure your mental health is okay. You have to get a good night rest, you have to take study breaks, and you have to make sure to exercise.
Thanks so much, Brayna. That's great advice. I'm gonna go take a lap around the track right now.
No problem, go have fun. Remember to not hesitate and reach out to your teachers. They're rooting for you, and we are too!